also just now. So these are the process to run pipelines. So pipeline with Terraform. Any questions? Hmm? Any questions? No questions, huh? Okay, great. Raj, I was not able to execute parameters. My final stage gave error. Hmm? Which error it is? I think you have shared. Sorry, I missed your message. Hmm. But you tell me one thing. If you share this dashboard, parameter, params.action, bad substitution. Maybe why you are using like this params.action? Give only one name. Params.action. In between you are adding some operators, right? Yeah. Okay. I want to give one suggestion here also. First, guys, the process whatever I discuss, complete it. Then you can try whatever you want to try. Discussed one, you kept aside, practice what you want to do. Finally, you are in the confusion state. First, what trainer is saying, complete it. Yes, I'm done. Then whatever you can do, you can give your name or their name, whatever it is, without brackets, with brackets, with quotations, with full stops, with comma, your wish. Okay. This is first suggestion for today. Okay. Hmm. How many hours you are spending as per day? Huh? 2 hours, huh? Hmm. 4 hours. Okay, great. Okay, then I'm fine. But again, group is silence. Why only 2 members? Okay. Next stage, you know one thing. Whoever not active will remove from the group itself only. I'm checking the last scene. I'm checking the members last scene here every day. If whoever not active from the last 15 days, I'll remove from the group. Okay. I need only active members. Okay. I can understand 2-3 cases. Maybe they're busy with their work. They're working employees. I know the torture. I know the work stress. You know, so this is common, but not everyone, right? If any fresher, any career gap student, if came to know those are not active in the group from the mentors, I'll remove. This is my action. I'll remove. That's it. If I remove, the future updates you won't get it. If you are active in this group, this is your practice section. Hey team, I'm facing this issue. Can you help me? Hey team, how to do this? This is practice section. If you ignore, after 2 months, no one is there to check. No one is there, no team is there to discuss whatever thoughts you have here. This is platform, wonderful platform. 150 members are there in one place means 150 thoughts. If you're not preparing like that, try in interview time, right? Interview time you can understand. Team discussion. One question create multiple questions. Understand? So that kind of an environment, if you create, definitely you can easily get on. Otherwise, very difficult. Instead of saying no calls, first what is your effect? That is very important. No calls, no calls, no calls. If call is there, think like that. If call is there, I need 1 month time, sir. You know, if openings are there, na, I'm sharing 10:30 batch now. They're already completed. They are saying, I need one month time, sir. What time? Company will wait for you. Does company will wait? Then you are ready first. Make yourself ready. Instead of saying to wrong publicity, no calls, no calls, no calls, IT not good, IT not good, IT not good. Then what is the good? Which one is good? Tell me. Which platform is good? Okay, IT is not good. Which platform is good? Tell me. No answer, right? If you have any clarity, give suggest to others. No clarity, you don't have a clarity, but you are saying platform not good, platform not good, platform not good. Okay, which platform is good? You can say no answer. Instead of saying this kind of things, first you do your job best. I mean, we do our job best so that everything is good. Okay? Yeah. Practice well, guys. Everything will clear. Yeah. Let's go to the Jenkins dashboard. So today I'm going to discuss the concept is same pipelines only. Okay, guys, one more concept today. So far we discussed the pipeline syntax. The pipeline syntax, the pipeline we are writing here only, right? Script block. Inside script block, we are writing pipelines. Clear now? Instead of doing that, we can keep this pipeline. Okay, or I will show you new pipeline. Dashboard. Pipeline from SCM. SCM means source code management manager, means GitHub. Pipeline. Okay. Now you can start your process, what process you want to execute inside your server. That process you can add here, right? This job you can trigger by calling the pipeline script from GitHub also. That means what? Instead of writing script here, your end already pipeline script is there. The pipeline script you can keep inside the GitHub. Here, definition block, pipeline script from SCM. That's it only. So whenever you run this pipeline, this script Jenkins file call from this location and run it. So pipeline script from SCM, right? Source code management is what? Git. Here you can give your Jenkins pipeline script URL path. Let's say my end, I'm taking main.tf is there, right? What is this? Here the Jenkins file. To execute this code through Jenkins, you need a Jenkins file script, right? You can write already available means keep same location. In this case, yeah, Jenkins file always we can follow Jenkins file only name. You can, if you want to change, you can change it, but this is universal name. So better to maintain like this only. Capital J and remaining are small. In this case, what should I do? I'm going to create a pipeline to run main.tf. Inside main.tf, any code process I'm explaining. In this case, what I should do? I should write a Jenkins script. But Jenkins script already written. Then upload into GitHub. Okay. Then create a pipeline. Then instead of pipeline script, select where is your Jenkins file. Here. Where? Git. Where is the path? Give. My path is what? Okay. Credentials, none. Next. Branch is what? Main. Path is what? Jenkins script. So, okay, inside this repository, where exactly your Jenkins file is there? This. Clear? For example, your Jenkins file is there inside of one directory here. Folder 1 inside Jenkins file is there, for example. How to give here? Here also simply folder 1. Oh my. Like this. But my Jenkins file directly there inside the repository, right? So simply I'm giving Jenkins file. Clear? So now pipeline from SCM will consider this repository, which file? Only Jenkins file. Here my Jenkins file already there. Clear now? Okay, let's save this now. Let's understand now inside Jenkins file what it is. This is my Jenkins file. Script path means where your file is there, including path, including name. Okay. Yes, if I copy, put inside the Jenkins. Okay, let me install the plugin, stage view plugins. I think plugin already yesterday installed, right? That's what. So this is my pipeline. So this pipeline inside configuration inside, if you can go no script. Why? Script is calling from where? GitHub. My inside script is what? This one. So first clone the repository. Next init. Next plan. Init for which file? Main.tf. Plan for main.tf. See, these stages are main.tf, main.tf. What about this one? Clone enter repository. Okay, let's do it now. I'm not running apply, guys. Just understand. Plan is running means apply also run. Just approach only. Then now you tell me. Commit the changes. Okay, clone stage insert step I'm commenting. Okay, or means what? This pipeline script point of view, how many stages are there now? Two only. This is commented. Any error will get or not? Why no error? Already clone previous build. Huh? Yeah. CD where pipeline for RM-RF. I'm removing. Okay. Now if I run. Oh my God. Why no error? Why it is coming? Yeah. See, here already you are mentioning repository URL for Jenkins path, right? So at the times it will clone this automatically here and for the Jenkins file. So Jenkins file clone or not? When the Jenkins file clone time, same repository inside main.tf also there, right? Already clone. So Terraform init plan will apply. I mean, the cloning section, it will take care from here. So whether you mention or not inside the Jenkins file, not required, no problem. Right or not? Yeah. Clear now? Any questions from anyone? Okay then. Hmm. Yeah, we are waiting. Can you repeat in short? Okay. So guys, what no? Someone is asking. Which one you used? Very good question. This one only we can use in organizations. This process only we can use. Most of the cases. Why? The reason, guys, simple logic. If you, yeah, if you want to share this info to client, client can run this pipeline, not you. Development time only you can run. Testing time only you can run. Later project completion done, we can hand over to client. Client team and also engineers are there. They will take care of that after development activities done. So now you tell me, by handovering a project, okay, handovering a project. So this is the GitHub repository. Okay. So this is the Jenkins file. This is the main.tf. So you can simply go to create a pipeline from SCM and run. Next approach. Okay. You can create a pipeline and inside you can write a script or script is there in different location. Copy from there, paste it here. Is this good practice to say? If you not copy paste well, what will happen? Pipeline will throw an error. So whenever you are handovering a project, we have to take care of everything. We have to hand over the project. You need to think whoever going to take care of this project after development, they don't know anything. Like you can consider and hand over the project as much as easy possible. Understand? If you create a multiple dependencies, you are creating a confusions to client. This is Jenkins file already there. You just go to Jenkins pipeline, select SCM and save it and run it. All right. Here, chances are very less to get errors, but there lot of chances. Clear? This process is easy. First listen, please. This process is easy to handle by client. Okay. Maybe your point of view, maybe this process is easy, difficult. Yes. If you do your activities as difficult while handovering time, from their point of view, they can easily handle. Understand or not what I'm trying to say? You need to think while developing any project, client can able to handle or not. Every time you need to think. Client don't know DevOps. Like that you need to handle the project. No, client can easily understand. I can do like this, I can do like, but final time, what this process you're creating a lot of dependencies, a lot of confusions. I told you, right? There is a dam, minister will come, switch on, immediately gates will open, right? Instead of saying that, you can come, there is a wheel, rotate 8 hours continuously, only doors will open, means no minister will come. Right or no? What do I need to rotate wheel to up the gates? No. What we can understand the concept, technology is easy to operate. Technology is not easy to develop. Understand? So whatever the things you are developing, that's definitely hard for you. But who can operate? That is easy for you. Washing machine is there. We can easily operate, right? But development, the software, the background is difficult. Understand? The hard work of the background team to deliver your application, to access your application to easy way, the background team they did hard work. Same, the dam also, doing the dam construction is not easy, right? Hard work. But handovering is very easy. Same here also. Minister also like, human only, right? No problem, he can rotate the wheel 1 hour. What will happen? We did from last 2 years construction of dam. Simply he can come and switch on the switch means their job is only that, right? Light you can think. If whoever hand over the project, you can hand over, whoever giving the business to you, you can hand over the project to operate easy way. Clear? Yeah. Yes, you are not freshers. First of all, you need to think. Freshers time already done. You are already trained from last 3 months. Still, I am from Telugu medium. Still, I am from that school. The days already done. Okay, you are not initial days now. Almost 50% concepts are completed. If you are in the same, you know, come out from that. Okay. Now, AI, ChatGPT is becoming a more popular, right? We can easily learn from ChatGPT if you know something about the concept. Clear? No need to clear everything by trainer. Though you know something about, you can go with that. Self-learning is very, very important. You can understand once you get a job only. No one will help. If Help means what? Okay, you do like that only. That is help only. That one also if someone can say happy. What to do if someone can explain also happy in 5 minutes. Even sometimes the 5 minutes help also you won't get it. So don't depend on anyone from now. Start learning by yourself. Small error, don't wait for mentors. Small error, don't wait for trainer. Whatever platforms we have, explore it. Okay? Yeah. Third concept is clear. Who is this always? I have a question. Maybe he won't sleep. Let me check. Okay. Raj, your question is not completed. Huh? Tell me your question is what? Someone is sending doubts in Telegram also. I don't know what is the problem to share in now. Hmm. Okay, he's already asked the question. Okay. In the server, there is a always temporary pipeline created. Yeah, this is for backup purpose only. Configuration files will be stored inside the temporary file. See, for Jenkins understanding purpose, some configurations file stored in the temp directory. Okay. These are the configurations, Jenkins logs and all we can see. Nothing is there right here. Okay, if you do any backup configurations and something, those information will store here only. Okay, this is just for temporary purpose for Jenkins point of view for backup the files and all. If any logs are there and something. Okay, yeah, we'll explain in the backup class what it is. Clear till here? Yeah. The next concept is, so pipelines are clear. I'm not saying pipelines are done. Pipeline with Terraform only done. Pipeline with Terraform only done. So pipeline with Docker, pipeline with Maven, pipeline with Kubernetes and all will come. Clear now? Yeah. And simple answer guys, Jenkins means there is no separate process. Jenkins means whatever task you are going to do, give in one script. That's it. Is a Jenkins. Okay. Yeah. So I want to do 5 instructions in my server. The 5 instructions keep in one pipeline is a Jenkins. That's it only. Whatever instruction it is, creation file, delete file, create something. That's it. So in my server, I want to run Terraform code. In this case, what you can do, install Terraform without Jenkins. Next, git to clone. Next, Terraform init. Next, Terraform plan. Next, Terraform apply. Why Jenkins? You client don't know. Huh? If this process has to do by client, what client has to do? Connect a server first. Install Terraform first. Git to clone first. Terraform init first. Plan first. Apply first. Instead of doing that, hey client, Open this URL. There is a job number one to run a Terraform. What he will do? Click on the dashboard. It is going to be open this dashboard. Build with parameters. Which process is easy? Pipeline or manual process? Not for us, client. Pipeline. Understand now? See, what is Jenkins? Make their job easy to operate the project. Understand? Yeah. Clear now? Okay. For example, every time sharing notes, right? Simply you guys are open the notes and you can do it. If the notes, if you want to access my notes, you need to log in one server. Okay. Inside the login server, if I create a one password for one directory, you can give that password. Again, go inside. The file is there in the zip folder. You can unzip it. There is a file you can download to your laptop. If I give manual dependency, why you are giving your notes like this exercise? Can you share in WhatsApp or Telegram group? Yeah, I'm sharing in Telegram group. You are accessing the notes. Both are notes only, but the way you are accessing is which platform is easy. You can easily access. Same notes I'm applying everyday classroom. You need to open Gmail and Drive and install is a little difficult. Telegram mobile itself you can easily access. But every both the nodes same is only. But difference is the way you are accessing is very important. Easy way. Right or not? Here also. Jenkins means only I can say answer is make client job is easy to automate the process. 20 commands client has to run to execute a project. What we can do? The 20 commands we can construct a one pipeline to execute one by one. Create a pipeline. Hey client, you can run this pipeline. 20 commands will be executed. Easy, right? This is pipeline. Pipelines means there is no separate process. There is no separate software. Install, configure, create. You just think that like that way always. Otherwise, you may every time ask a question, how to work with Jenkins with Maven, how to work with Jenkins with Google Cloud, how to work with Jenkins with Azure, how to work with Jenkins AWS, kind of questions will come. If you not think like that, tell me guys, this process is same for Azure also or different? What is the difference? Azure VM, AWS VM. What is the difference for Jenkins? Server only. Installation of Terraform command is different in Azure VM, maybe. Once Jenkins is installed, Jenkins login process, Jenkins configure process, all are same or not? That level you need to think. Veera, how to work with Azure with Jenkins? If you ask this question, you are always by hearting something. Understand? Yeah. Clear na? Okay. Okay. Pipeline approaches are three. Yeah, same commands. Take it and put it here. It will run automatically. You know, guys, you tell me one more thing. These commands executing into where? The pipeline commands executing into where? Where exactly you want to execute? Manually, behalf of you, Jenkins is doing. You can understand Jenkins is robo. Robo is coming, doing activities and going. Okay. Yeah. To say to say to robo, hey robo, execute it. You just inform to robo, these are the things what you need to do. If you give in correct format, robo will come. Otherwise, robo won't come. Understand like that. Now Raj and robo is not coming. Why? Raj is disturbing a lot to robo. Okay. That's okay. Just you know he's doing late night also practice. Hard worker. Okay. Now time to discuss one by one Now Jenkins concepts. Jenkins pipeline with Terraform is done. Okay, yeah. Now you can think different way also, but not required. This is the process in everywhere we are working. If you can, how you guys need to think what I'm expecting from you. Take a pipeline, just Control C, go to ChatGPT. Can I add any conditions here? Just to understand condition blocks, how to write in this pipeline, just to understand. Yes. Mm. Today your task is to how this pipeline will work. What is this parameter? Nothing is there, you can easily understand even. Tell me, what is this block? Boolean means what? Yes or no, right? In Terraform we discuss. Yeah. Name apply TF default value is false. Description set to true. Apply. Okay. I too don't know, guys. See now. Default value is what? False. Description set to apply Terraform changes. Save. Build with parameters. Okay. Let's go to configure. If I remove this, apply save. So we need to okay, already running. Apply is working or not? Working apply is. See, skip this. Why? Go to configure. Yeah, here condition is what? Parameters dot apply dot ef is default value is what? False. You need to set to true only, it will work. Okay, how to do it? Just learn yourself today. Okay, slowly we can understand different conditions. Okay, this is your task, how to do this. Yeah, that is just 5 minutes job only, but still understand, just practice. Okay, so this is the skipping one. Okay, this is working one. Anyway, what happened, Amma? That's what I'm giving the task to you. You are saying again to me, huh? Keep parameters to it will work. I know that. See, build with parameter na, apply TF, build means it will work. Understand or not? See, this parameter, build with parameters, before condition is what? I'm giving from here. This is self-learning what I have given to you. You guys are saying to me again. Huh? This project is parameters you are able to see. Apply TF, set true, apply to Terraform chain. But did they configure manually here? But why it is coming here? Why it is coming here? The parameters are there, right? The parameters are there right in the configurations. You can call from here also instead of doing manually. Clear? Here also you can give the condition action apply. See. Oh, that's what I've given. Just ask 5 minutes understanding. But you guys are not waiting for that. If I say everything now, you guys are busy with cricket match. Understand now? Clear now? How many conditions are there choices? Yeah, same. We did manually write. We did manually write. Through code itself also we can do. See now. Control V na. Apply save. Now build with parameter will come. Why? I'm using a parameter inside my code. Now you can see. Refresh. Go to configure. Why still it is coming not saved? Configure. Okay. Here I'm not using parameter, right? So I can use here TF action. Clear now? TF action if I use, choice will take apply or destroy and same thing. Okay. That's what. Anyway, I have shared in your Telegram group. You can use any different parameters, whatever you require as per the conditions. Okay. And don't forget to save after doing a changes. Apply, save. It won't work, right? Why? Anyone? Why it is running? Still build with parameters. Yeah, now it is showing, right? See, apply and destroy. None means none will work or not. We'll see. None will work or not. Now you have to say. None will work or not. We'll see. Conditions. These are just conditions. So we can start triggers now. Terraform triggers. The concept is, sorry, Jenkins triggers. The concept is Jenkins concept, not related to Terraform only, related to general concept of Jenkins. So 2 pipelines are running. Let's cancel one. No, still it is running. And also, yeah, I'm going to discuss one condition. Okay, discard old bills. So Jenkins will, history can store all the bills. Okay, build 1, build 2, build 3, build 4 and all. That will consume a more space of your EC2 instance, right? What we can do here, if I give days to keep bills, only 1 day bills only it will keep. Tomorrow, today, history will be deleted automatically. Or two, last two bills only history can keep. Third bill will delete automatically. Previous third bill. Okay. If you're not, retention period. Yes, correct. If I'm not giving anything, it will maintain all the bill history. That will create a space issue in your EC2. How to check space on EC2? Which command? df-h Linux. It's been 45-50 days. How to remember? Okay, I can understand. So like that, if I mention to apply say, okay, this is still doing what I can do, destroy it. Okay. So from now, this existing one keep as is, and later my Jenkins can take care of only last two bills history only. Remaining will be deleted automatic. This is discard build concept. Where should I give this? Open the pipeline inside. First option is discard build. Okay. Okay. Let's go for now. Triggers. Today concept. Yeah, we'll discuss. If I need to discuss my experience with Jenkins, first you should be able to understand the concept. In that case, we should learn something first. Yes, definitely. Definitely, I will explain. Not only Jenkins, Terraform, Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, everything I will explain what I'm doing in my real time. But when you can easily understand, if you do, something understanding is required, right? Yeah. Correct. Correct. Yeah, guys, we have a half an hour time. So quickly we can understand what is triggers today concept. Okay. First one is build after other projects are built. I'm not explaining in paint now. It will take half an hour time extra. Simple I'm explaining, you can understand also. Build after other projects are built means what? My end, two jobs are there. The job 2 will trigger after job 1 only. Sequence, one after other job. Clear now what I'm trying to say? Okay, let's go to here. Okay, let's cancel this. Okay, let's now, I'm going to take a, yeah, very good dependency block. See, very good example, guys. Very good example given. I'm creating job 1 just for simple understanding. Pipeline. Okay, let me delete. I will delete this one also. Let's go to job 1. Okay, now let's go to, I'm giving here, Jenkins also get angry. Yeah. Hello world. Apply save. Okay. Next, I'm going to create one more job. Guess new batch is going to start in 2 weeks. You can, if any your friends are looking, you can, okay, refer. If you like only my teaching, refer. Okay, no problem. My friends are interested. 7:30 a.m. morning. Okay, so this timing is well suitable for working professionals, well suitable for other country people, US, UK. Okay. You can say to them March 15 after, in between 15 to 20. Yeah, just I'm giving here from job to. No, 3 classes only. If I'm ready to take, they will give evening classes also, 2, 3. But yeah, evening AWS basics just 10 days only. They requested Java students, Python students. They're requesting multiple times to management. That's what they're requesting me. I'm taking just 1 week to 10 days basics only. I'm not going to take any class evening, guys. Yeah, not possible even. I know danger questions. Yeah, guys. You know how difficult it is. To teach different platform students in 1 week, 10 days. Python students, Java students, their questions are so silly. You know, they're asking after discuss on the concepts and all. Simply they're asking again, what is networking? What is IP? Developers are asking these questions who trained already Python Java. Not fair. I don't know what's going on in the background. They're asking this kind of questions after complete. Maybe it will take time. Maybe they will take time. I don't know. Guys, Git tool is Git tool is developers need to work more with Git tool. Why? Code changes they will do every time. They will push, right? They're asking what is Git? Really surprised yesterday. He said, he said, I hope you guys are already trained Python and Java. He said Python almost done. From last 4 months, he said Python almost done. Then he's asking what is Git. I don't really surprise how they're working, how they're you know practicing every day. I don't know. Even we are not a developer, still we are practicing it every day, right? Pushing and bull and something. They're not doing like that. I asked then where you keep the code in laptop only they are saying. But real time we are not keeping the code in the laptop, right? Question mark from there only. Understand the things. I informed to management also yesterday what's going on. They're asking what is Git. They are about to finish the training. Without Git, how they can manage in real time. What is freshers? Guys, understand one thing. You are also freshers. So many people, right? You know what is Git now? Git is developer tool, not DevOps tool. Still, you know what is Git. You know how to overcome the challenges. Now, if they join any organization as Python, okay, Python knowledge. If they go on Python knowledge, every day, every hour, they need to work with Git, GitHub or GitLab and something. Very important. I don't know. Definitely trainers will cover, guys. I'm not saying trainers. See, DevOps trainer is going to cover developer tools means definitely developer trainers, whoever giving a training, definitely they will cover Git. Maybe they are not attending. I can definitely can say that. They're requesting me yesterday, please cancel the class. India batting is started. Raj also there yesterday class. I I supposed to inform if you ask again, my batting will start. How they can ask the trainer, please stop the training, India batting is start. Hmm? So silly, huh? Same question. Who are the guys? Python developers. Okay, now let's back to work. So guys, if I build my job, hey, custom Git means what, yaar? Custom Git means what? Ask her what is custom Git. Custom repo means what? This is custom repo or Git repo? Our custom repo in the Git. Everyone work with Git only. Final destination is Git only. You may go through bus, you may go through flight, you may go through train. Final destination Kashi only, right? Same here also. They are using different platform to go GitHub, right? Mac users are going to push the code. Windows users going to push the code. Linux users going to push the code. Finally, code is going to be updated into there only, right? Yeah. The understanding is required. That's what I'm saying. Job 1 is done, right? Yeah. Now go and check how many bills? 1. What about job 2? No bills, no running, right? What we can do now? Hey, job 2, you can run after run job 1 only. Okay, I'm creating it depending on job 1. So okay, for that I'm just giving instruction build after other project build. So which project? Job 1. Okay, so job 2 you can run only job 1 run only. This is the condition giving inside where? Job 2. Condition is giving to where? Job 2. That's what inside all I'm giving. Now when job 2 will execute now? Job 1. So let's run job 1 again. As of now, job 2, any bills are there? No bills. Let's go run job 1. Second bill will come, right? Job. Second will come. Now open the logs of job 1. See, running on workspace. Print hello world. Again is what? Triggered job 2. Now go and check job 2 history. See. Clear no? Again you can, if I run job 2, job 1 will trigger? No. Condition applied for only job 2, not job 1. Clear? Tell me any scenario when we can use CACD. Very good. Integration job run only, delivery job will run. Integration job will run only, deployment job will run. CACD you can keep same job or separate jobs, your wish. In this case I can use when the CD will work after CA only, right? Like kind of condition. Okay, can I do like this also? Terraform init plan here, apply here, right? Init plan and only apply will run. Conditions means conditions, you can use anything. Okay, yeah, but don't say this example in real time. Init plan in one job, apply in one job. CA in one job, CD is fair. Yeah, I hope you guys are clear. Build after inside conf. Oh, one more time I build. Okay, no problem. This is clear, right? Now, what about build periodically? Job 1 run period. I'm talking about job 1 just now. Build periodically means what? Cron job now. Cron job. What is cron job? Cron scheduler. Nowadays we no need to worry about how to write a cron. ChatGPT is there. You can give the time, it will give the cron. Clear or not? Or you can learn how to do that. Guys, total 5 entries are there in the cron expression. Star means this is run every time. First entry is minutes, second entry is hours, third entry is day, fourth entry is month, last is day. Minutes entry 5 minutes, hours 4 hours 5 minutes, star every day, every month, every day in a week. Guys, if I give this expression, Wait. Yeah, correct. Correct. We'll give this expression means my Jenkins job will trigger when? Huh? Every day, every month, every day in a week, evening 4 5, sorry, morning 4 5, it will run. Right or not? Exactly. Why every day? Star means month instead how many days are there? 28 are, 30 are, 31st. Leap year means 29 also. Okay. Month means 1 to 12. Day means 1 to 7. Clear now? Yeah. Day in a month. Today date is what? 506 means what? This will run when? Tomorrow. Next. Next schedule when? Next month. Why month is star? Right or not? Yeah. For example, this is every day 5:15. Clear or not? It won't give any alarm like big sound. Just only trigger only. What about this? Every minute. Why? Minute, every hour, every day, every month, every week, every minute, job will run. If you give the schedule and close the laptop means tomorrow morning, how many bills you can see? 1,000+ bills you can see. Even tomorrow else you not check means that will run keep on the background. If you delete instance means no problem. Otherwise, number of bills can create background. For AM, PM, now you tell me. Now this is what? PM. So it will take by default 24 hours. Yeah, time zone only, format only. This one run on when? February. Star every month. Now tell me, I'm going to give the condition day in a month, tomorrow 4, tomorrow 6, right? Day in a month, every month, and day in a week is I'm giving Sunday. Is this good condition? You are saying run this job tomorrow. Again, you're giving tomorrow is Sunday. Tomorrow is not Sunday, right? So you are giving, yeah, one expression, wrong condition. So system will run both times. Sunday also it will run. 6th also it will run. Okay. If I give like this, what is the meaning? What is the meaning? Every second hour it will run. Every, now if it will start 10:15, again it will 12:15, again 2:15, 4:15, like that. Every fourth hour. Minutes block, right? Every half an hour. Every 15 minutes. Like that we can control. Clear, no? Copy. Go to Jenkins. Now it will run. Every, okay, apply save. My job one is only 3 builds are there, right? You can see fourth build, fifth build, sixth build every 1 minute. Accordingly, you can change the expression whatever you want to give. Build periodically means what? See, fourth is triggered already. Now fifth also will come. This time, there is a difference. This is UTC time. 5.5 hours difference is there. Okay. So Terraform code need to execute every half an hour means Terraform pipeline inside you can configure this trigger. Any script you want to run inside EC2 specific time, configure with Jenkins. Jenkins will run your script every half an hour, every 1 hour, every 2 hours, every 3 hours, whatever. You can wait for 1 minute. Jenkins Baba. Who is this Baba? Fifth is also coming, right? How to stop this? Uncheck only. Clear till here? Next is what? GitHub. GitHub hook trigger for Git SCM polling. Tell me. Let's take the code. Yesterday already Jenkins codes are there, right? Okay, I'll take from, even we can write also, no problem. Okay, let's go to take a sample pipeline. I'm taking any pipeline, scripted or groovy, your wish. Copy. Okay, na guys? Or I'll do one thing. The first pipeline is what? CSCD. Yeah, I'm taking this one. Okay. Let's go to the pipeline. I'm creating a one more pipeline. GitHub GitHub hook trigger will work. Just I'm giving the name is like that only. This is the pipeline. Okay. So if I run, it will clone from the Git Terraform CI/CD and run in it plan apply, right? So for only checking purpose, I'm just commenting apply. Okay. Plan will work means automatically we can understand apply also will work, right? Don't check every time apply. Resources will create unnecessarily. You may forget to delete later. Okay. Apply, save. But I don't want to trigger manually. I want to trigger if any changes are there in the source code only, it will run automatically. This is called GitHub Webhook Trigger. Configure. To work with this, what I need to do first? Enable this. Okay, apply, save. Done, right? But we have to do some changes inside the Git also. So this is the code okay. This is the repository, right? In this repository, you need to do some actions in the settings. Go to settings. Webhook is there, right? Webhook. So you need to update like this only. You need to update like this. Okay. Let me take a screenshot. The GitHub. So what? Yeah. What changes I need to add here? Jenkins URL. My Jenkins URL is this one, right? Till here. Copy. Go to Git. This is Jenkins URL. Remove one. Oh, double HTTP. Clear now? So extension here, GitHub webhook you should add. That's what I have shared this screenshot into your group. This is what Jenkins payload URL, Jenkins URL. You need to add inside your repository Jenkins URL inside the webhook. This means if any changes you do here, any file, very important thing, webhook trigger will work repository level, not directory level. Enter repository level. Repository inside any small change, Git will create a one event. That event will trigger a webhook. That webhook will trigger a Jenkins pipeline URL. Understand? Jenkins will run a job. This is the process. Let's go and check now. This is new job, right? No bills are there, right? Okay, let's do one thing. I'm going to do some changes anywhere. Main.tf, edit this file. Name I'm going to add for. Change is change. That's it, right? Now let's see this pipeline automatically trigger or not. And before that, you can check your settings. Webhook. Yeah, this is verification is success here. Then you can see. Okay, I think first we should run manually one time. Why it is not updating? Okay. To save the event. Where is the stages? What's going on? Correct only, right? Then why it is taking time? Waiting for the executors. There are some concept, guys. What is executors and all will discuss, okay? Oh, these. Okay. I'll do one thing. Let's delete this pipeline first. Go to configure. Any conditions are there? No conditions. Isn't any. Apply save. Yeah, all good only. Let's build again. Hmm. Hmm? Yeah, out of memory. Manage Jenkins. We can clear the previous build information. Let's connect this server df-h. Yeah, 7.5 GB is used. That's what the problem. Okay, no problem. We can do one thing also. Okay, later again you can check df-h. Okay, clear, right? So let's go and refresh. Okay, I'll do one thing. So build information. Close this. Stop this. Stop this. Configure. Control A, Control C. Let's delete the pipeline also. Information I have deleted in the server inside. I'm going to create a job test. We have 3 minutes. Come on. Apply save, but we need to enable GitHub save. Okay. Bill. Yeah, I'm also thinking for that. Do I need to restart? That's what the build, previous build discussed, we can enable to delete the history of the information. Yeah, we can check the logs also. Let me. Yeah, same issue. I think we need to restart df-h. Okay. Systemctl restart. Okay, done, right? Now, not possible to access directly. It will ask username. Now you can log in. Yeah. Okay, it's working fine now. Okay, Terraform plan. Okay, done, right? Now go to Git where you configured GitHub webhook tree. For this. This will work for only this repository, not other repository. Now do the some changes. I'm doing changes, any changes in any file inside the repository. I'm adding 5. Now see here, doing changes and GitHub automatically pipeline has to trigger. See, second time. In this quiet period is expired in 3 seconds, it will start automatically. Finished waiting. See, when any changes takes place in the Git, automatically don't apply it. Okay, Terraform apply multiple times, it will run. Just check only plan. Clear Git webhook trigger, how it will work. Event base. Yeah, okay, I'll tell you. My end, I'm going to create a one more job. You will get a clarity. Wait, see now. I'm enabling here also GitHub webhook trigger. I'm just taking hello world job. You can run manually one time. Okay, total how many jobs are there? 2 jobs. This is for your actual pipeline. This is testing pipeline. Now go to GitHub. Do the changes here. Any changes anywhere you can change. Jenkins files also you can change. Repository inside any file you can do changes. Automatically pipeline will start. Now tell me guys, which pipeline will execute now? Both pipelines I have added GitHub webhook trigger. So which pipeline will start now? Test one or job one? Test one already started, but not job one. Why both ends GitHub webhook trigger already enabled? Why? Why job one is not running? Yeah, see, understanding is very important here. Go to configure. This job inside this GitHub URL is there. So wherever you are using this GitHub URL, that jobs will be executed. So this repository inside only webhook is configured. But if you can go to job one, here is there any GitHub webhook trigger is webhook is enabled here. But go to configure, no GitHub URL is there here, right? So that this job not triggered. Clear the understanding first? Okay. And webhook means what? First you need to enable this, check this box and go to Git. Here what you need to do, go to settings, go to webhook. You can update here your Jenkins payload URL, Jenkins URL only. So communication based on the URL only. In which job you are using this repository, the job inside webhook is enabled means all jobs will run. Clear now? Understanding is this is GitHub web trigger. Clear? Any questions from anyone? Last one, your work now. Conditions already I have explained, right? Pipeline conditions. You guys are not waiting to do the homework. So this is for your homework or hostel work, whatever work. So next trigger is POLE-SCM. I will explain theory. You can do practical. POLE-SCM is nothing but build periodical means what? When the time will come, it will come. What is GitHub hook? When event will come, when changes will come, it will run. POLE-SCM is a combination of build periodically plus event. I will tell you what. Today, now time is 10:33, right? In POLE-SCM, if you give a schedule to run 11:33, for example, next 1 hour, it has to run. But POLE-SCM not allow simply to next hour run. When POLE-SCM allowed to run, in this hour specific changes are there only in the GitHub only. Clear the difference? But build periodical is what? When the time will come, it will run automatically. In the GitHub inside changes there or not, doesn't matter. But POLE-SCM, if you give it to run next hour, it will allow when if the change is only there. For example, I have given expression to run tomorrow same time, 10:30 tomorrow same time. POLE-SCM allowed to run this job now to tomorrow, this time to tomorrow 10:30 in between. Any changes only there POLE-SCM allow. If no changes, for example, till tomorrow, so this schedule time will come, na POLE-SCM will skip your trigger. Understand the three differences? Event, whenever event will come. Schedule, whenever time will come. But POLE-SCM, combination of these two. Combination means it will follow the schedule when the changes will be there only. So you can do this and let me know working or not. Enable POLE-SCM, give some schedule, next 2 hours or next 1 hour, don't do anything. POLE-SCM is not allowed to run. And give a 1 hour time and do some modifications of GitHub in the pipeline. Sorry, GitHub code, it will allow as per the schedule. And POLE-SCM is not allow if any changes if you made immediately. It will wait for the schedule only. If you do any changes, not allow immediately. It will check the schedule. That time only it will run these changes. GitHub hook means immediately it will run. Clear the differences now? Okay, tomorrow you can do this task and let me know the status. Thank you so much.